Alright guys, I got another quick little Amazon unboxing to do for you today. This just arrived. Still unopened. So, this is something that I got from, I think from the Kizer store. Got my little box cutter. So this piece is a front flipper, if I remember correctly. It's something I've been wanting to get more and more of in my collection. And it's kind of, yeah, there we go. It's kind of like a novelty piece. It's called the Chili Pepper. It's a little bit shorter than the other ones. But, here, let's see. Let's check it out. Oh wait, I don't want to open it from the bottom. I'd rather open it correctly from the top. So here we go. Nice box. You know, scannable codes and stuff on the back. There we go. And this little plastic tray is gonna slide right out. There we go. And that's a couple stickers in here. A drop bear sticker, it looks like, which is a beautiful knife. I got one of those. Actually, this is the second drop bear sticker I got from them, and the nice little logo. And that's all in the box. Let's see what we got. On top, we're gonna have our standard little booklet, their microfiber cloth, and their little picture book that they always put in every box. Their little like warranty story type, you know, manifesto, and then a little picture book of their, I guess, their workshop. But it's cool. They, I think, make some of the highest quality budget, I guess what you would consider budget knives these days. They definitely get up there in the price range, but they have some that are very low in the price range too. So this one being one of them. This thing was, I think this one was somewhere between 50 and 75 bucks on Amazon. Let's see. Looks like it comes with a little baggie of spare screws. They look like T6, maybe T8. And there is the Chili Pepper. That thing is beautiful. All right, there we go. This thing is beautiful. That's the 154 cm blade steel. Looks like it's got a little oil on the blade. I might have to wipe it off. But that's the red G10 handle scales. I think the, ooh, nice little flick. The handle length is right around 4 inches. It's got a reversible deep carry pocket clip with a recessed little, if I can get it to focus, a recessed little groove right there for you to actually place the, you know, it's like a little flat surface, so you won't wear down your G10. It's a little spot to put those, and you can see they use flat screws inside the pocket clip, which is nice. It's the button lock. Yeah, it's definitely a little bit of excess oil going on the blade, but you know what? They gave us a cloth for that. So, let's see. Give it a little wipe. It's probably the driest I can get it without getting Q-tips involved, but you know what? Here we go. So yeah, much cleaner looking blade now. 154 cm. I do love the pocket clip, the red thumb studs, the way it all kind of works together. It was, I think it's designed by Swag, who's the same, well, he's one of Kizer's designers. He's designed a lot of their knives. But yeah, it's basically, obviously it's modeled after the shape of a chili pepper. I like the flipper tab a lot. I like the fact that it has thumb studs and a flipper tab, so it's super fidgety. I like the handle. It's pretty ergonomic. Honestly, I'm not even a lefty. I'm a righty. See the reverse flick here? Let me get used to the... Yeah. It doesn't require much. So, it's a nice texture. All in all, I'm a fan. The blade length is only 3 inches, so it's not super, you know, obtuse. It's not going to take up a ton of space in your pocket. It can just kind of slip right into your pocket and disappear. You can forget about it. And, yeah, that thing is pretty sharp. Pretty sharp. Nice little factory edge. In fact, let's inspect the edge a little bit. Looks like a pretty nice grind. Chili Pepper Swag. A little heart signature, that's cute. That is a beautiful grind that they have on the blade. So yeah, 154 cm is going to be good for corrosion resistance. G10 handle, obviously. Yeah, all in all, yeah, I don't know, 4 out of 5 stars. I think it's pretty nice. I think those are aluminum thumb studs. You can see the little riveted rings to give it some texture, to kind of beef it out. Got the nice little jimps running about halfway up the spine of the blade. So you really get a lot of control if you need to get in some detailed, you know, areas. And, yeah. Tune in for more.